Hello traders, today we're going over a real quick video on how to install EdgeMax. So one of the first things you want to do is make sure NinjaTrader is closed. If NinjaTrader is not closed, even though the installer will look like it did everything correctly, it cannot actually overwrite the files that it needs to when NinjaTrader is open. So again, most important thing, close NinjaTrader. Then you're going to want to head over to bluewavetrading.com/my-bluewave, and then in your downloads folder, you will see the BWT Universal Installer. So that's what you're looking for over there. When you get that downloaded, it'll usually go to your My Downloads folder. And then once you have that, it'll look something like this. And you literally just double click the file. And there's going to be a little prompt for Windows to say, are you sure you want to do this? And then you're going to get something similar to this. Your version number will obviously be different after I make this recording today, so don't worry about that. But the key thing that a lot of people miss, you want to click Next, and you want to read through everything here. And then you want to agree to those terms and conditions. And when it gets to this page right here, in the bright red lettering, make sure you enter the email address that matches the email address that you have on the My Blue Wave website. If you do not do that, then the software is not going to know how to link it to the order or subscription that you have. So make sure you enter that and click Next and then click Install. And that's literally all you have to do for this part. I'm not going to actually click Install because I've already done it on my machine. And then once you do that, then you are able to get to the finish screen, click finish, and then launch NinjaTrader, and it will go behind the scenes and it will basically match everything up and it'll do a license check and you should be good to go. So if you have any problems, as always, just send an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com and we'll see you all soon.